It's your girl Ncuminny back with another fucking video. No, I'm joking. It's your girl though, back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing something called a little react. That's all I do actually. I need to like widen my fucking horizon, but it's something that I can easily do and edit and send out to you guys.
I was actually using an advanced technique there called live.
It takes less time, but I want to get into vlogs. That shit fun as fuck. Anyways, today we got a recommendation. Yes, guys. It might be late. By how long? We're not late. But I'm reacting to it finally. And if I disappoint a lot of people, because a lot of people do be sending me react to this, can you send it again? Because honestly, I need to start taking screenshots of all these like recommendations so like I can do it on a list instead of just thinking of last minute, oh, what content should I react to? But yeah, and someone put me on to DrexTheJoint. This person is very trusted. He's one of the few fans that are like what's that word? Constant? Yeah, that's the word I'm looking for. Thai shit. Yeah, English. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah.
So that was a fucking lie.
But yeah, he's very constant with his recommendations, and he doesn't disappoint when it comes to recommendations. He's the one who put me on to Lil Setsu. If I'm saying his name wrong, I apologize. So yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, and today we'll be listening to DrexTheJoint. He's OC2 SGV. And let's get into the video. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys. Stop asking you guys to do everything. I feel like I'm annoying, but I'm like,
Yeah, boy.
who isn't? No, I'm joking. But let's get into it, bro. Ooh.
It's the gangland. It's the gangland.
What the fuck, kid? You got
y'all
all
screaming
the
for the shooters, still bounce out the name of your medulla. Y'all rap a little bit, still post it up, don't let it fool you. I'm starting on the fish, we're trying to kill him with the Ruger. With the shoot shut, I'm trying to chip a nigga like the Ku Klux. Flip another Big Mac, my niggas been did that.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
We on Garnish, I'm trying to put him on the shit bag. Slick steady clown him.
Okay, I fuck with it. Old school, I fuck with it hard. What are you talking about? I fuck with the oh my god. Oh my god. And he is actually like flowing with the yeah. Shout out to this man again. Yeah, you know my taste. You see what I mean? He never disappoints. He fucking never disappoints. Why can't you guys be like that? Anyways, oh my god. Okay. Let's get into it. You adopted.
Me?
Yes.
That's cool.
Try.
That's cool. Everybody adopted in this house.
Tight shit, I'm back. Sorry, let's continue where we left off.
House can get his bitch bag. Oh, you say you did what we been did that. No, join up in your section, nigga. You ain't did enough. We
He's giving that old like
y'all
that.
Sticking up. How y'all niggas flip the top away, but y'all ain't speaking up. This shit regular to a nigga. I do this shit for fun. ABCDEF, yeah, bitch, I'm from the J. Same niggas that dish, and they be the ones that ran away. Y'all niggas sitting court slide, ain't really trying to play. Y'all had that bitch on chocolate. I'm the type to give her space. Hoe ass nigga, I'm Mr. Rain shit. Mr. Beat the coochie up, I'm put the gun lane switch. Up in the hood, can give a fuck if I was famous. Fly ass nigga, I'm in the block rock.
You're fucking dumb. Are you fucking dumb? Are you dumb? This man. My apologies. He's probably older than me.
Some Masons.
Hey, Roddy Racks the rapper looking dapper. Mac your bitch and then I give her back after. You are her man, I'm her master. She tell me that she love me and I respond with laughter. Check it out, use a mark, I'm a factor. Don't nobody fuck with you like a bad actor. Yo bitch clowning, and you ain't even gonna slap her. I'm the type to crack her and put her on a track. I laugh at her, you get mad at her. Reach your hand, wait back and take a crack at her. Pull out a gun and clap at her. Crazy as a Mad Hatter, she a throwback, my dad had her. Nigga, you and that bitch.
Emotional, damn it.
He never he never disappoints. He or she, I'm assuming it's a man, but it could be a female or whatever they want to be. Regardless, Alt does not disappoint. Alt though never disappoints. You're fucking kidding. Are you dumb? Are you actually fucking stupid? He's actually fucking recommended something that I actually fucking love to react to. Why can't you fucking also do the same thing? And I'm offending a lot of people by saying that accent. I'm gonna get cancelled if I even get famous. Fuck. Doesn't matter. End of the day, if I get cancelled, I get cancelled. I can't do much about that. I'll just continue doing my shit. I don't fucking care. But damn! If someone gets offended, guys, like, just click out the video and go find another YouTuber. Like, I'm sorry. Me personally, you have a lot of energy if you're gonna be there in my comment section. Actually, you're offended me. And I'll be there like, oh, my bad. Meanwhile, I actually don't fucking care. Like, let's get that clear now.
Bombastic side eye.
This is fire. And if there's anyone else who thinks otherwise, that's your opinion. Keep it to yourself. I don't want to know about it. Go put it in someone else's video. The fuck? Anyways, damn.
Oh my god!
Yeah. Yeah. Damn. Okay, sorry. Let's continue.
Ain't shit, you can't get none of this. I'm from Bridge Gang, bitch. My hood is crazy on some insane shit. Blast you in your head and ask you where your brains went. Enemies disparate, they ain't saying shit. Load up the chop, bitch. Rowdy rack spraying shit. I came to bring the pain on the gang. Load up this 100-round clip and let it rain, bitch.
Is that all? Even for my boys you guys killed. Please go some massive love. I will code both of them. Comment section. What the fuck am I talking about? The thing with the description. The description thingy. Bro, please, anyone who knows more old school people. Like, bro, listen. My taste in music is very broad. Like, I can't say I'm into this person. Like, the only artist I can is my complete bias. Fucking suck a dick. I don't care. I'm gonna, like, it's Juice WRLD. I'm forever. I will die and still say Juice WRLD is my number one artist. I am sorry. But yeah, like, I'm known for not making good decisions. Like, I'm not calling all Manchester United fans out there. we know what we were doing.
Stop it.
Tired of losing. Anyways, but still, yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys in another fucking video. Bye.
Let's see who got the guts. Let me see some.